Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the SSD is healthy and sized for your system files. Make an image backup now. Next, create a bootable USB from the OS ISO using a reliable tool, 16 GB recommended. Enter BIOS, enable OSI for best performance, and disable Secure Boot only if the installer needs it. Once done, set USB as first boot device. This ensures the installer runs directly from the media and avoids confusing legacy boot paths. You now choose cloning versus a fresh install, based on whether you want identical setup instantly. If you clone, run a sector-by-sector copy and ensure 1 MB alignment so the SSD performs optimally. Cloning tools can adjust UIDs and expand partitions after copy. If you clean install, delete existing system partitions and create an EFI partition plus the main OS partition. Format with NTFS or ext4 as appropriate. Make sure to install the bootloader to the SSD, so the system recognizes it as the primary disk. Once the OS is on the SSD, reboot and set the SSD as the primary boot device. You should boot straight into your system. Install chipset and NVMe drivers, enable trim and set a high-performance power plan to avoid unnecessary throttling. Verify partitions and free space, then wipe the old drive or repurpose it. If the system does not boot, repair the bootloader using recovery media or reconnect the original disk to restore BCD entries. This one troubleshooting step resolves most non-boot issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.